In this lesson, we are going to learn how to create a grouped line chart in R. In a previous lesson, we created this line chart. So in this line chart, we showed how the percentage of Americans saying that the current economic conditions were poor evolved between 2017 and 2022. In this lesson, we are going to break this line apart depending on the racial and ethnic characteristic of the respondents. So regarding race and ethnicity in this data set or data frame that we are working with, we have a variable called ppethm, and this is the variable that we are going to incorporate into our code. So first, inside this group by function, I want to add ppethm. Next, we are going to make a couple of changes inside this AES function. So this group equal 1, we are going to change it to group equal ppethm, and we are also going to add color equals ppethm. That is, for different groups we will indicate them by different colors. That's why we are saying color equal ppethm. And at the end, inside this labs function, we also want to add color equals race and ethnicity. So now if I select all this and click run, this will create our grouped line chart. Now of course I can save this in my local drive just like we did before. So if I just select this line and click run, this should create this new econ_poor png file grouped line chart that we just created.